Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $10,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading with on this platform. To get this account, you don't have to make any payments. Everything is for free. All you have to do is just follow me step by step on how you can claim this bonus, and make sure you don't miss any step while claiming this particular platform so you don't miss out. Before I continue, I would like to wish everybody Merry Christmas. Thank you all for your love, support, your comments, your encouragement throughout the year. You've been a big part of my journey, this channel, and I'm very grateful for every one of you. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I wish you all happiness, blessings, and new wins this season. Yeah. So if you know you are yet to subscribe to my channel, or this is the first time of you coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. I really love your support. Please do well to subscribe, and subscribing to the channels give you more access and information faster than people who have not subscribed to the channel. You get information updates, you get notified when I drop new videos. Now, how do you get this account? All you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of the video, take it to my Telegram channel. Please do not forget to join the Telegram channel. It is important you join the Telegram channel. I drop updates, informations that are not on YouTube. I drop them on Telegram channel. After joining it, all you have to do is just go ahead and access the link that will bring you right to this part right here. You all know you have to register an account with them. So the next thing we'll be doing is to register an account with them. All you have to do just here is to put in your name, your surname, email address, your phone number, your country of residence, accept their terms and conditions, and click on submit. So after clicking on submit, you'll be getting an email from the broker. You'll be getting an email from them. As you can see right showing on the screen, this is a confirmation link. All you have to do is just confirm your email here. You are going to be clicking on this to confirm your email address that they have used to open the account. And after that, you'll be receiving this particular email again. That's after you've confirmed your link. All you have to do is just go back from the message. By then, another email would have popped up to your Gmail, and you'll be receiving your login details that you'll be using to trade in your MetaTrader 5, and also your login details for your client portal, where you'll be accessing the site, your client's page, your dashboard, where you'll be seeing the details of how far you've traded and everything. So all you want to do now is to copy your account number, that's your login password, and your login details, as a password that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. You copy it and add to your MetaTrader 5. So this is your MetaTrader 5. All you have to do is just go into your MetaTrader 5, search for the broker, which is Z Forex. Go ahead and search for the broker, which is Z Forex. As you can see right here. So you go in and put your login, that's your account number, put in your password, and after that you click on login. And after clicking the login, then you have your account ready for you to start trading. All you have to do is just go in and pick in the pairs that you want to start trading and get started with. For the terms and conditions, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Once again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and do well to enjoy your day. And also, most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.